welcome back to my channel. Basically today, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. That was so gross. I don't know, how do I start? What's up guys, my name is Hemi, welcome back to my channel. So basically today, I have a very special guest. Come on. Hello. This is my beautiful friend Yeeun. Introduce yourself. No. This is Yeeun. She's my really good friend and she's currently visiting over from Korea. She came over to see me. We're gonna cook dinner. I've never done a cooking video and this is kind of spontaneous. We're like in our PJs. We're gonna make some budget as, quick as, easy burritos. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna use this bowl. I'm vegetarian so I don't eat meat, but this is for her. That's chicken breast. Just, I'll get you a knife. I'm gonna throw in this like taco mix. I don't know if it's good, but we're gonna try it. Maybe that's enough there. No. Oh? Strong?
Oh, it smells so good.
次お箸で混ぜる。Oh, good. Oh, good. Girl, that's some spicy ass chicken.
I love spicy. Thank you, I did it.
I'm gonna grab some olive oil.
That was probably way too much. Oh, God. No, it's okay.
Is that okay?
No.
え、この中に合わせばいいじゃん。
Smart.
Thank you.
水は
入れる？
ここで
I don't know. いいんじゃない？ I'm gonna take the avocados, scoop it out and put it into this bowl. Ah! It's brown! Are we gonna eat this many avocados? Rayla, go away baby. Imagine if I had my own cooking show.
No one would watch.
No, it would be so bad. Probably food poisoning because I know it's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I'm so scared to think what other people are gonna think. Like, oh, she sucks at cutting. Dump it in the avocado. And we need some lemon and salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I'm scared.
Of what?
Oh, camera.
No, you're great.
And I have runny nose.
So what? Too many excuses.
Oh, good.
It's good. It's so salty.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really salty. So good. Perfect job. Lettuceを洗います. I never trust the first layer of the lettuce. I don't know why. It's just not it. Why are you laughing?
You look like a grandma.
It's hot. これじゃいいよ、いいの。Okay, the lettuce is done.
Why more?
No!
Yes.
I promise we won't eat that many.
I will.
Okay.
One more.
これでいいよ。
It doesn't really look good.
We're meant to lie. Lie.
Okay.
Lie. Wow, looks amazing. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Let me sing forevermore. I'm gonna pop this open. Throw some beans in the pan. It looks so bad. It's okay. Hey! Hey! What was that? Oh my god! Dude, you sounded like Lulu crying for a second. Okay, I think that's enough. And we need mayo, tomato sauce, and sweet chili if there is any.
Oh.
All of those? And sweet chili? Oh, sweet. Cool. Well, I think we're done. So we are just toasting up the tortillas at the moment. Everything else is pretty much done. And this is how you make a budget as dinner. Under 20 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah, under 20 bucks. We're gonna wrap these bad boys up. Can you get up and be in camera for like 2 seconds? You just came out at the end.
I'm shy.
You're not shy.
I am.
You're a glowing angel. Use it. Do you like our nails? We got our nails done.
We got.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Love you.
Okay.
I'm hungry. Okay. That's good.
Really? Even my salty avocado?
Yeah.
嬉しい。